Test this out right quick on y'all. Now keep in mind that I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit. So y'all be nice about it.
All right, guys, so this is my studio. So at first over here we have a nice little what I call a waiting area. So I have a bench for you to sit down on. We can talk about your skincare goals, and you can also put your things here or put your jewelry in that gold leaf. A lot of people don't know it's a jewelry tray. And also hang your things on these golden hooks. I'm gonna close the door. I have my license on the wall. Your license should always be visible. And then sometimes it gets a little steamy in here, so I have this air conditioning unit. I got it from Target, and I'll link everything below. Then on to my waxing supplies. So I got everything from Star Peel, and then also the previous waxing studio that I worked at. Yeah, I currently use their coral wax, and I love it. I got my soft wax from Gigi Brows. And then I also have a little notepad just in case a client needs recommendations or product recommendations. You always want to be able to write those notes down. Under here, I have all of my storage. So in here, I have all of my implements. I also have some trial size products. So when clients come and get a chemical peel here, I send them home with product. A fan. So if you're doing chemical peels, have your fans ready. But again, these are just some of the implements that I use. Some woolen strips, and some headbands. Under here, I have all of my other products. So syringes for microneedling, my actual microneedling pen, brow lamination, waxing drapes, and everything else, everything that I may need, honestly, is under here. I'm gonna close that. Yes, I have a fan too, just in case. It gets pretty warm. So on this cart, I have everything that I may need on hand and also my cleaning supplies. So I keep Barbicide, the Barbicide wipes. I keep vinegar, Lysol wipes, and also the wipes or the Swiffer mop sheets. I keep those on this cart. Cleanliness is a must in the aesthetics world because you all know people can catch staph infections, so we don't play around here with cleanliness. So I got this from Bria Paints, and it was at my house, but I thought it would fit this aesthetic a lot more, so I definitely brought it here, and I plan to redecorate some of my house. So yeah. Alrighty, and on to what you guys have been waiting for, my back bar. So as you can see, we have a mixture of Skin Script, Glymed Plus, Estamax, Image Skincare, and Dermaplane Pro. I do have some, I think there's Dermalogica back there, but only Dermalogica that I use is their cleansing balm. So I have cleansers for every skin type. I have for oily, acneic, dry. If I just want a good, just basic sensitive skin cleanser, I have that as well. And I also like to make sure that I am not, I guess, over treating the skin or over being as harsh on it. So I use a lot of pre-extractions, emulsions, and balms to kind of break some of the sebum and those blackheads and things up. So yeah, I definitely have a lot of like emulsions and balms, and a lot of, I guess you could say I focus on hyperpigmentation and acne, because a lot of my peels and products kind of are geared to acne and hyperpigmentation. So definitely, if you want an online consultation, we can do that. I'll put my booking information down below so that, yeah, you can just let me know and we can get it together. It don't matter where you are. We can work on it. So I got my steamer from Amazon, and Estes, the first thing, well, you definitely want a hamper one that is plastic so that you can wipe it down, so that when you do clean your sheets and your towels, that you're not putting it back into a dirty hamper. And two, one with wheels. We underestimate how much laundry we'll be doing. So I am carrying this thing out of here every day. So I definitely love that it has wheels because it makes things a lot easier. And then I have my hot towel caddy, hot towel warmer. And yeah, it has UV light in it too to kind of kill any bacteria or germs. I don't have a sink in room, so I do have a kettle. That is my high frequency machine as well. It's here. Then I have my enzymes. So enzymes help to break up and slow off all the dead skin cells. I love my enzymes, and then I also have mask in here too. Yeah. And these are cooling globes. So if I do a microneedling treatment, or pretty much a microneedling treatment, and I need to cool the skin down or desensitize some red, like very red skin, I will use those. Alrighty, and for storage, I use this for all of my linen. So I have facial towels in here. These are just regular towels just to have. My robes are in here, and then these are all sheets. So I like to keep everything nice and clean. I also got this wooden sign from, I believe it's etched in wood. I'll link everything, like I said. And yeah, have my cleaning corner. Like I said, I keep things clean. My robe, and then I'll also link where I got this static clean from. So this glass it's frosted, but you can still kind of see through. And if you're getting a Brazilian or you're getting a wax, you don't want anyone to see any part or be able to kind of identify any part of your body through that glass. So I definitely found this static clean on Etsy and just applied it using water, honestly. I got my bed from a friend, so that was that. Then I also got this chair from Amazon. So again, I will link everything below. But yeah, this is my studio. I'll give you one final look around.